Have you ever tried Googling something and end up with a bunch of tabs because the results are just a little bit off? Or maybe your favorite site is down and you want to find alternatives but don't know any specifics? If you have been to page 2 of Google, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Ivan from Right Job Solutions, and here are 5 tricks to use Google more effectively. Okay, so first in our list is excluding a search term using the format hyphen method. So to show you this, when we search the word sesame, you get a general results about the word sesame. Might be a plant and might be a show for preschool games. But if you type in sesame dash plant, Google will exclude all results that also have the word plant on them. Okay, so next on our list is searching multiple words at once. So you can search 2 words at once by using this format. So in my example, I'm gonna want to search for penguins or salad. So using this format, Google returns all results either related to salad or penguin. This can be useful sometimes in some cases, and also there is a variation of this format when you replace the word or with and. Now using this format, Google now returns all results that have the word penguin and salad on them. So mostly you will see here that salads that are shaped penguin in one article. Number 3 is one of my favorites because this is useful when you have a favorite site, for example, and then that site is unavailable. You can use this to search websites that are similar to your site. So the format is we type in your favorite website and then prepend it with the word related colon. Now this format allows Google to search for all other websites that are similar to the website you input in the search bar. So in this case, as you can see, the top other videos that are related to YouTube are returned. Tip number 4 is useful when you want to filter out other results that are not from a specific website. What I mean by this is, for example, you want to search for the word football and you only want to return results from youtube.com. So using this format, Google filters out all other results that are related to football but not in youtube.com. Last but not the least is my personal favorite, because working as a web developer and being able to perform basic math equations in the browser is a bliss. So did you know that Google has a built-in calculator? So when, for example, when you type in a basic math equation and hit enter, Google returns this calculator that has basic to advanced functions to perform mathematical equations. So, which one's your favorite? Subscribe to our YouTube channels for more videos like this, and like also our Facebook page. Links in the description below. See you guys on the next video.